man. Man, I'm happy to see y'all, man. Hey, man. Spam the like button right now. Spam the comment section. Say we back. Hit that subscribe button if you new. Like I said, man, hit that like button, man. Hit that subscribe button. We getting straight into the video. So today, gold blessed us with some beautiful, 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 beautiful pips. You know what I'm saying? Today, let me go look at my calculator. Today we make $769. And I think we made it in 2 hours, 2 or 3 hours. $769 in 2 or 3 hours. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all, we live on a live account. We not doing no more funded, trying to pass challenges. We over that shit. Like, this is live, this is pure. And without further ado, man, let's just start up this screen record, Brodowski. In a real what? It just started. Bro, let's get straight into it, bro. So first off, what I want to show y'all is, boom, live account, baby. Live account, baby. You know what I'm saying? Boom, profits right there. Profits right there. Feel me? So without further ado, man, let's do it. So let me go to TradingView and let's see if I still have the setup still set up. The setup's still there, right? Let's refresh it. Oh shit, gold is still shooting for buys. So look, I got told today that Trump was finna have a speech. So me personally, I'm taking my cheese. I'm getting out the trade. And if I'm sweating, bro, I'm sorry. I ran to my room, bro. It's time to film. We back on the tube, bro. But look, gold is still buying. This was my setup. I got screenshots of it since I didn't have my stop. This right here was my setup on a daily, right? And this right here was my setup on a 4 hour, right? This is what my trade looked like. You know what I'm saying? Now let's go back to TradingView and let me just show y'all the pure market structure of why I got in this trade. What made me get in this trade and how I made my cheese in a couple hours and I did. So, you know what I'm saying? Look at this, bro. What I've been preaching on my channel since the very, very beginning is learning price action and market structure. Right or wrong? Right? Yeah. So look, whenever you see a pair consolidated, if you're a scalper, my nigga, do what you do. I'm more of an intraday trader on a 4 hour type beat. So you know what I'm saying? When I see consolidation, bro, look, this right here, I draw my box. I grab the box tool, click it, and I literally put the box from where they do support and resistance in a little box. Support and resistance, but really consolidating. And I put alerts on both sides. You see my top alert was right there, and I put my alert right here. If y'all don't know how to put alerts on TradingView, literally hold the screen and you just drag it and you press that plus button on the right side. You'll click it, boom, and you'll press add alert. So when I see consolidation, I draw the box, I put alerts on both sides. What have I been telling y'all since the OG days? When you see consolidation, draw a box, put your alerts, and when it breaks out of consolidation, it's either gonna do two things, right? Some pairs, it breaks out of consolidation and it just goes, right? Most pairs are gonna either reject the box, go back down, consolidate, or when they break it, it's gonna shoot out, it's gonna retrace a little bit, and it's gonna go. I wanna get this through y'all head. When pairs consolidate for a very, very long time, when that motherfucker shoots, it shoots, right? So if you know price action and market structure, when it shoots out of consolidation, bro, get in, bro. Get in and have a smart stop loss, bro. Have a smart stop loss. Now let me get into it. Look, I went down to the 4 hour, right? And damn. So I got in around here somewhere. Let's just keep it like that, right? I know market structure, so you know what I'm saying? I seen, hold on. Gold is still shooting, bro. Imagine if I stayed in. But listen, I seen it shoot out the box. Damn, can I, there we go. Come on, bro. I got my, oh, I don't have my phone on D&D. No, I have it on D&D. All right, look. First of all, it broke my trend line. And I'm gonna make a tutorial video on how to use trend lines, so That's coming soon. First of all, it broke my trend line, so it's no longer in a downtrend, right? Then guess what? After it broke it, it shot up, it came back, and guess what? It shot straight out my box right here. But what really made me scale in and get in was these 3 candles right here. So you have a bullish candle here, right? Cool. You have a doji, this big old candle right here, and then I look to my left and I seen it get above the highs than it recently have. It outdid this high right here. It outdid that high right there. And if you scroll over to the left, like, bro, it's just shooting. So I'm like, all right, bet, cool. Me personally, I'm getting in, and when I got in, I literally put my stop loss right behind this bullish engulfing candle. So after that shit, I just let the trade ride. But let me tell y'all some sweaty ass shit. Let me tell y'all some sweaty shit, right? When you get in your first trade, right, boom, all right, you in there. I say, let's actually measure it. I say when you up like, this is what I do personally. When you up like 10 or 11 pips, and you know that shit has a lot of momentum, like, let me go to my, so the things that I use, I got the ADX, right? If you don't know how to use the ADX, I'm gonna just summarize it into a short sentence. Whenever these right here get wide, bro, like they start running away from each other, you know it has a lot of momentum, right? That's a confluence. I have 2 ADXs for different strengths. And then it didn't do it in this trade, but I usually trade, like when I'm on regular pairs, I usually use an RSI. Whenever the RSI shoots through the 50, the middle of the RSI, like right here, it has a lot of momentum to it. So when you got a runner, ADX is wide, and it shoots through the 50, you know what I'm saying? Once you up like 10 or 12 pips, bro, what I do is I put my stop loss in profit, right? So one trade is risk-free, and I get in on the same exact trade, the same exact lot size, and then I put my stop loss where my old stop loss was on the new trade. So worst case scenario, you get stopped out in profit on one trade, and then that second trade, you just get stopped out of where your stop loss was in the first place when you only had one trade. That's worst case scenario. Best case scenario, you're doubling your take profits. Like, you understand what I'm saying? One is risk-free, right? You still making money from that one. The other one, it's gone. Once it goes up a little bit, that's risk-free too. And then you can just, okay, hold on. I don't want y'all to get carried away. The smart way to do it, I'd say 2, but if you want to, you can just keep, like, you know what I'm saying? If you got good entries, you can put how much trades you want to put down, right? As long as the price goes up, and you know what I'm saying, you got your stops in profit. What was I saying? Once y'all put that second stop loss in profit, so now you got 2 different trades that's risk-free, and you just let price do its thing. And then now all you doing is literally monitoring it. You get to choose to take your bread when the price start retracing, because you know most pairs, they shoot and they start retracing a little bit. You get to take your profit right there when it start retracing, or you got your stop loss like kind of close to your entry, so you can have 2 runners going, and now you're just sitting back chilling. You're technically like, not technically, you're literally not losing a trade. Both of the trades are stop, like you have your stop loss and profit. And that's how I do it. That's how I get my account sizes, and I just like be like, I don't want to say flipping my account because that sounds like some gambling shit, but that's how I be scaling my accounts, bro. Like, once you know what you're doing, you know price structure, price action, market structure, and you know your candlesticks, and you got all your confluences added up, bro, get in the trade and just let it ride, bro. Just sit back and let it chill. And you know what I'm saying? Once it gets to a certain thing, put your stop loss in profit. All right, cool, I'm gonna get down on another one. Once your second one, stop loss in profit, now you got 2 risk-free trades. That's it, man. I miss y'all, man. I love y'all, man. Y'all know I don't like to make long videos, but bro, we got a lot of shit coming. And when I say I'm not stopping uploading, I'm not. Like, I got tutorial videos on the way, and every time I touch some cheese, I'm gonna bring it to the tube and tell y'all how I did it. So I love y'all boys, man. I hope this video helped y'all. Tell me in the comment section if I didn't do a better job at like explaining more, like going more into detail. Let me know in the comment section. But yeah, this is my first video back. I was super excited to see y'all. I'm super excited to be back. I love y'all and we on this journey together. And follow me on Instagram. When I'm not active on, well, I'm barely active on Instagram, but I do be active on Instagram. Like I'll post on my story every now and then, like to give y'all updates for the people who follow me from trading. But like, other than that, personally, I'll probably post every now and then. I be too locked in, bro. But yeah, follow my Instagram. It's the same handle as my YouTube channel. Follow me on Instagram. Hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. And I'll see y'all boys when I get into my next video, man. I love y'all boys, man. Peace. It was nice seeing y'all boys, man. We back. We back, nigga. I said it with an A, not an R. All right, y'all.